cold. It's cold outside, but this is my hoods, you know. We even have a cross. Where is it? See the cross? Huge. That's cool. Okay, this video I started in November because the plan was to release it in December, you know, recap 2024. Now it's almost February, you know. 2024, it's been like a sabbatical year for me. Is that a word? I've taken fewer client photos than ever before, actually. Spent more time with my family, my son, my family, you know. You have to prioritize, I guess. Okay, let's do a mini recap of 2024. So in January, I kicked off with a small rig cage review, kind of. I wanted to show you this because I love this protector, cable protector, you know. Then, well, some clips didn't make it to the final cut, I guess. In a cold January, we spent 2 days at Pro Photo and we had such a fun project filming this. I mean, I'm truly blessed to have been invited, you know, take part of it all. Thanks, Pro Photo. If you'd like to take a closer look, you can go into prophoto.com and you can read more about how we shot these images. Then back in Stockholm, my brother and I went to see one of our favorite bands. Photo of the month for me, well, no further comments needed here. In February, it was all about my amazing coffee supporters, whom I gave a little extra attention. I produced 2 members-only videos, one about the Leaf filters to 16 diffusion, and the other film was about Adobe, how I kind of switched my whole website to like free Adobe portfolio. It works great. Picture of the month, my son with his smalls on his head. The second public video was released and it was all about jewelry. Then the most popular video of the year, the blue gin bottle. I still never know which video will become the most popular on my channel. It's like a mystery for me. I guess it has to do a lot with what I'm photographing, I guess. Oh, what do you think? Then I released members only video number 3. I photographed a ring and I called the video The Hard Truth About Jewelry Photography. I followed up with members only video number 4, post-processing, many hours in Photoshop. Picture of the month has to be the Bombay Sapphire because, you know, it was the most successful video that month. So, public video number 4 featured me photographing my son's sunglasses. And I have to say, I absolutely love this photo. Very simple, but it's very me. One of my goals for 2025 is to create iconic photos for an eyewear company. I simply love photographing glasses. That will be a dream. So if you have some glasses, eyewear company, brand, give me a call. Next, I dove into the world of GIFs. Did you know that they were introduced in 1987? They're pretty old, but they're still going strong, I would say. Public video number 6 was another GIF-themed video. This time I switched to beer, and yes, it ended up all over the floor. I followed it up with a members-only video on how to generate high-quality GIFs. In mid-May, I was interviewed by the Swedish podcast Fotopodden, talking about what you love the most for an entire hour. It's always a pleasure. Thank you, Maria. Time for a break, 2 weeks in Spain. Just as I got back to Stockholm, it was time for the release of the Profoto Pro D3 video. I'm incredibly grateful and proud of the hard work everyone put into this production. A huge thank you to the entire team for their dedication, creativity and effort. It's truly paid off, I would say. And of course, a special thank you to the team at Profoto for the support and collaboration. Thanks a lot. For the last video in May, I did something I never done before. I made a members-only video available to the public. It covered fake sunlight and composition in food photography. Talking about food, triple cheeseburger from Funky Chicken, the best burger I ever had. And it was just a few days ago, best burger joint in Sweden, 5th year in a row. Check it out. If you're in Stockholm, Funky Chicken it is, okay? If you like burgers. June, summer, the 9th video of the year, how to freeze water in action. Also, now you know what a bare image is. Congratulations. Next up, I show how I put a splash image together. From now on, I have decided that all retouching videos will be members-only videos. Then I had to go to the wonderful city of Vilnius. So, then in July I released Open Access Video 9 and 10. The first one was about hard versus soft light, and the second was a coffee shot with AI supports. The fake ice cream video, what a mess, but I really like the end result. My hometown. August started with some post-production work on the ice cream and the coffee shot. Members only videos since they're about retouching. Best pizza joint in Stockholm, 800 degrees at Södermalm. Macro food photography. I shot some chocolate. Then for some reason I shot an orange wedge. I don't know, orange wedge, well. In video number 14, I ordered some driftwood from Amazon and added some jewelry. Then product launch. Frequency separation action for photographers, for product photographers, I would say. And if you'd like to check it out, just go to my website, you will find it there. Botvidsson.se/shop. I tested a LED light, the Seiyun CX100, and titled the video Hard versus Soft Light. Picture of the month, another ice cream shot. I didn't make a lighting tutorial on this one, unfortunately, but yeah, well. October. In 2024, I made 2 wristwatch videos, and this is the first, the Omega macro shot. Then video number 17, me getting excited over a battery plate again. Then off to The Hague and Legoland, of course. Then it was time for a sub's choice video. Member Melly challenged me to create a bike-related photo using a light painting technique with a LED flashlight. The Rolex and the bug, my favorite photo of the year. I must say I was quite happy with the results. This is my favorite photo of the year. After that, I made a photo stacking members only video. Then I had a study visit from a school, photography school, Photographers of the Future. I also managed to squeeze in a photo talk on food photography for some photography students in Sigtuna, Sweden. The 10th Coffee Supporter member video, Photoshop work on the bug shot.
Photo of the month for me, the Rolex and the bug. This image holds a special place as it combines elegance with an unexpected twist. The Rolex, a symbol of precision and luxury, juxtaposed with the rawness of the bug, creates a striking contrast. The composition and lighting came together beautifully, if I may say so myself.
December, the last public video of the year was a perfume shot, the Cyan Katy Perry bottle. Then I ended the year with a members only video, the Photoshop edit of the Katy Perry image. Picture of the month, a Christmas photo taken by my son. You can see the Pocket Wizard remote in his hand. To the left, a very proud father. Okay, so to summarize a bit, it's like 20 public videos and 11 members only. I think it's, I could have done more, of course. But, quality over quantity, okay? So I guess it will be the same this year. I will try to do as many as I can, but there's a lot of work, especially now. It's like crazy, Didn't photograph anything the whole year, and now in 2025 and December and January, like crazy. And I will share this with you, some of the client work. Yes, I think I can do that. That's it. Now it started to rain. The computer is kind of wet. That's not good. It's not waterproof, I think, probably. But this is my old crappy computer. I have a new one in my backpack, and I will shoot that. I told you I should shoot the new MacBook Pro, so I will do that. That's another video that will come 2025. So, okay, thank you members, thank you subscribers, likers, everyone, and let's have a fantastic 2025. And as always, I will see you next